to its R is supported by Lincoln Center Theater. Experience holiday magic during Amal and the Night Visitors, a beloved family opera starring multi-Grammy awarding Olivier Award winner Joyce DiDonato. Center Theater, directed by Tony Award winner Kenny Leon, his take on the classics.
Oh.
The video is locked.
What we do? Hey, if he doesn't do it, he's not committing a crime. We got nothing on him. Okay. Just convince him to do it, and so he does it and hits that cell phone. Oh shit. Soft bands on me, I could fuck some. I done caught a vibe in this bitch, y'all. You gotta know this is what I do, shawty, for real. Yo, I done caught a vibe in this bitch. Got done lost my mind in this bitch, y'all. Go against the squad and you gon' die up in this bitch, y'all. Said I love her, I was lying to that bitch, y'all. But don't put that picket bodies on that stick, y'all. If it's her.
Sorry. I'm sorry. I saw.
Do you want to go into the bar?
Yeah, we'll pull in the bar.
What the hell did he hit?
The church, hospital.
I heard it. I didn't see it.
See what resources might be out there.
Wi-Fi off.
Wow, look at that. Look at that.
The tire just pop off. Oh, Lord.
Goal line. Before Alabama, Miami was in the position that Alabama was, where they were the ones with all the pros.
Miami's legitimately got 3 national titles that they were boned out of.
But they
is it is the Secretary of State's right to determine who is a terrorist and who isn't. The Secretary of State answers to the executive branch. Secretary of State Marco Rubio has determined that these boats are
Are you gonna move?
Hungarian Rhapsody number 2. Music by List.
Stupid! You don't